Welcome to the Hard Reset Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can remove virus from Oppo phone. So to start, get yourself some antivirus app from the Google Play Store. I'll just go ahead and simply get the first one that pops right up. So once the antivirus of your choice was successfully downloaded and installed on your phone, you will need to launch it and perform the security scan, or security check at the very least. So let me just go ahead and start the scan on the app that I've went for. After, of course, I will skip all the ads. Let's start scanning. So once the scan is finished, if the app or antivirus tool will find any threats or malware, viruses, etc., you will be able to terminate them right over here. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.